15-year-old girl, she came to me with the complaints of cough since last 2 months.
Okay.
I was shocked. They told that they had done various blood tests. I saw all the blood tests. Recently, they had done vitamin D3 and vitamin B12 blood test.
What?
Vitamin D3 was less, so they were very much worried. Oh my God, vitamin D3 is less.
कौन है ये लोग? कहां से आते हैं?
Oh my God, I explained them what is the relation between vitamin D3 and your cough. It's absolutely nonsense.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
Those doctors who do unnecessary blood tests, shame on them, shame on them, shame on them. If you have got cough, X-ray chest is so important. Basic investigation, X-ray chest. It turned out to be TB. Oh my God, even Amitabh Bachchan has told in one advertisement, if you have got cough more than 2 weeks, do X-ray chest.
बात तो सही है.
Check your TB. So my friends, simple. If you have got cough, do very minimum blood test. But main is X-ray chest, CT scan. Please understand the message. Thank you very much.